Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You need iPhone X updated and at least 20% battery, a clear face and no obstructive case or sunglasses. Open Settings, go to Face ID and Passcode, then choose Reset Face ID and authenticate with your passcode. Do this now so the sensor starts from a clean state. It eliminates corrupted scans. Once done, position your face at arm's length and follow the on-screen prompts to start the first face scan cycle correctly. Now you perform the detailed scans. Hold the iPhone about 10 to 20 inches from your face and keep it vertical. Tap Begin and slowly rotate your head to complete the full circle the system requests. This captures different angles. Make sure lighting is even so the true depth camera records depth and infrared detail. Avoid bright backlight or deep shadows. Once you finish both scan passes, Face ID will state that setup is complete and store a robust facial model for reliable unlocking. Finish by enabling Require Attention in Face ID settings for stronger security, then test unlocking, Apple Pay, and app logins to confirm everything works. If Face ID still struggles, reset Face ID and repeat the scans while improving lighting and removing obstructions. This often fixes mismatches. Make sure your iOS is current because updates include true depth improvements. If problems persist after retries and updates, back up and contact Apple support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.